In this video, we're going to show you how to do a global search. You can decide to select a few modules to search for, or you can search by all of them. You have to have at least 3 characters to do a search. Let's start with the keyword SAM. Global search is going to find all the records with the searchable fields that have SAM. If you see what you're looking for, you just have to click that record in the search results to go to that record view. When we search by the word START, the top 5 records display in the drop-down, and to view all the results, you can click View All Results. The results can be filtered by records assigned to you, your favorite records, records created by you, modified by you, and by module. Then when you find your record you're looking for, click the record link. Now let's search with an operator. Let's search for Pam with the operator of AND. Remember, it needs to be all capital letters. And the end of an email address. One result displays. But if we change the AND to NOT, there's 5 records.